Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines.
We leave no stone unturned to give relief to the poor. PM Imran. The government is going all out to ease the burden of price hike on the poor. Prime Minister Imran Khan said on Monday. Race for Senate Chairman ANP QWP announced support for PDM's Yusuf Raza Gilani. ANP and QWP on Monday announced to support former Prime Minister and joint candidate of Pakistan Democratic Movement Yusuf Raza Gilani for Senate Chairman. Khalilzad meets COAS General Bajwa to discuss Afghan peace process. United States Special Representative for Afghanistan Reconciliation Ambassador Zalmay Khalilzad on Monday called on Chief of the Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa at the General Headquarters, said Inter-Service Public Relations in a statement. CM Punjab Usman Buzdar swings into action, suspends 12 officials over negligence. Chief Minister Punjab Usman Buzdar on Monday suspended 12 officials and removed 4 others from their posts over negligence in their duties and delaying redressal complaints. PTI forms parliamentary board to finalize NA 249 Karachi by poll candidate. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has formed a 5-member parliamentary board for the upcoming NA 249 Karachi by poll. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry were secretly married before royal wedding. While Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's explosive tell-all with Oprah Winfrey had many stunning revelations, there was one in particular that stood out for royal watchers.
End of today's news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.